Okay, welcome to Music Math. Put the guitar down, I'll be right with you. Okay, today before we continue on with our chapter on multiplication, I want to show you what I call old school multiplication, the way I was taught many years ago. Okay, now we're going to learn a lot of new ways to multiply. They're all good methods. Okay, but I'm going to show you the old one, the old way first, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so first, let's take a 2-digit number times a 1-digit number. We have 7 times 8 equals 56. We regroup our 5, or carry over the way we used to say it. Now do 7 times 1 is 7. Add the 5, that gives me 12. My final answer is 126. Okay? Now let's move down to a 3-digit number times a 1-digit number. Okay? We have 256 times 3. So, take our 3, start with the 1s column here. 3 times 6 is 18. So put the 8 down, regroup the 1. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 would be 16. Bring the 6 down, regroup the 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. 768 is our final answer. Okay, now at the bottom here we have a 4-digit number times a 1-digit number. Once again, starting with our 1-digit, we start with the 1s column. 6 times 5 equals 30. Put down the 0, regroup the 3. 6 times 4, 24. Plus the 3 is 27. Bring down the 7, regroup the 2. 6 times 3, 18. Plus the 2 is 20. Bring down the 0, regroup 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. Plus the 2, 14. Our final answer, 14,070. Okay, now we're going to step up and we're going to do a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number. 23 times 14. First, let's start with our 1s column. The 4 is in the 1s column. So 4 times 3 equals 12. Bring down the 2, regroup the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Here's the important part. Because now we're going to use this 1. This 1 is really in the 10s column. Okay? So what we have to do is, before we do anything, we need to put a 0 in the 1s column because we're starting with the 10s column. So put a 0 in the 1s column. 1 times 3 equals 3. But remember, this is really a 10. So 10 times 3 is 30. See my 30 there? Okay? So 1 times 3 is 30, or 3 in this case. Then we're going to regroup here. No, there's no regrouping, sorry. We're going to do 1 times 2 equals 2. And now we add. Okay? 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Our final answer would be 320. Okay? And the last one I'm going to show you now is a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. Okay, this one gets a little trickier. Let's start with our number in the 1's place value first, the 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. So you bring down your 8, you regroup the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3. 2 times 3, 6. Okay? Now we're going over to the 10's place value. Remember what I told you. When we multiply the 10's, you need to put a 0 underneath the 1's column. Okay, because we're starting with the 10's column here. Okay, so 4 times 9 is 36. Put the 6 down, regroup 3. Now you could cross this 1 out if you want so you don't get confused. I just put the 3 on top of it because I know that's the number I'm going to use now. Okay? Now we do 4 times 1, okay, is 4, right? 4 times 1 is 4. We take our regroup 3, makes it 7, okay? Now we go over to here. 4 times 3 is 12. And now we have our problem set up for our final addition. Add up the ones column first. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. So bring down the 3. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Don't forget your comma here. And then we have the 1. Bring it down. Final answer, 13,398. Okay? And that's the way we do some old school multiplication. Okay? Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it's helpful. And we'll be back tomorrow with another lesson.